In this video, guys, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $50,213 just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. I'm going to share with you new affiliate service that you should promote on Twitter if you want to earn commission, because there are a lot of people are searching for this service on Twitter, and if you start promoting this service from today, you can earn commission and make some money like this. I have been doing this business for over 2 years and it's profitable, guys. This is our profit, guys, and as you can see in my balance over here, it's showing $50,213 easy money promoting affiliate links for free using free traffic from Pinterest, from Twitter, and that's it. So I'm gonna share with you step by step everything you need to start affiliate marketing business. Let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for this website. Let me show you. Search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using an email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's easy and simple. What you will do next, you will come to this page and you will scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see, to Fiverr affiliate website. What you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, so what you will do next, before we join Fiverr affiliate, let's scroll down to show you commission plan. Okay, if we click over here on see commission, so you can get idea about how much you can earn, because they are really paying a lot of money. You can see over here commission plan, and you can see that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do, so to join Fiverr affiliate, let's go back. So just go back to this home page on Fiverr affiliate and click on join now. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see, to Fiverr affiliate page. What you need to do next is you need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Account type, make it private, and you will answer few questions over here, as you can see. Then you will choose your country and choose your language over here, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. It will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Twitter if you want to earn commission. Click over here on the search for social media manager. Okay, search for social media manager, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. As you can see, this one is level 2 seller. He will be your social media marketing manager. He has almost 5 stars, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Just click on his service, and as you can see, he has 26 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service. What you will do, you will copy his profile link. Copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click, let me show you, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, then click over here and put your affiliate link, your this Fiverr profile page link here. Click over here and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do now, you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter. It's easy and simple. I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. So what you will do, if you don't have an account on Twitter yet, let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Twitter like this. It's for free and easy. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign-up process to Twitter is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on the search for I need social media manager. Okay, search for I need social media manager like this, and here you go. You can find a lot of people here are searching, looking for social media manager. I need social media manager. Okay, I need social media manager. I need social media manager. This one just posted this tweet today, looking for social media manager. What you will do, you will click over here on reply, and you need to reply to this person and put your affiliate link here. So what you will do, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you can use his title like this. You can also make some different if you want, that's fine. And go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link and put your affiliate link here like this. Click over here on reply. Okay, so just click on reply and your affiliate link will be sent to this person, as you can see like this. I will be your social media marketing manager and personal assistant. So if this person is still looking for social media manager, he will click on my service like this. He will click on my affiliate link, for example. He will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. We'll click on continue and he will buy this service. I will earn commission. It's easy money, guys. It's simple and easy, okay? But you just need to keep promoting a lot of affiliate links every day, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, so the more affiliate links you promote, the more money you can make. Okay, and as you can see, you can find a lot of people here searching for I need social media manager, I need social media manager, I need social, and so on. Okay, as you can see, a lot of people here looking for social media manager, and that's it. I show you how we can create your affiliate link, how you can join Fiverr affiliates, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and leave a comment. And if you want me to share more services that I was promoting for free, let me know in the comments and I will share with you all services that I was promoting to earn commission with Fiverr affiliate. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.